Did you hear the noise?
Yes, there was a kind of grumble and a kind of rumble.
There it is again. Help!
Oh, poor Bart's really scared. Bart! Billie! Where are you? Oh, come out, Bart. It's okay.
I wouldn't be scared if I knew what it was.
Of course you wouldn't, Bar.
So, what we really have to find out then is, what is that grumbly rumbly noise? Hey! That's the big question. What's the grumbly rumbly noise?
Ah!
I think the noise sounds a bit like someone drumming.
Yes, maybe.
Who do we know who plays the drums on Greendale Farm? Horace?
Horace!
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 Hoo-hoo! Hey there.
Hi, Horace. We heard a grumbly rumbly sound and we thought it was a bit like drumming.
Drumming?
Could you drum for us, Horace? Then we can tell if we're right.
No problem. Listen to this. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba-doo-boo-boo-boo-boo-ba. No.
That's not it.
Ah! Whoa.
That is...
I don't like it. Hoo-hoo! Sounds like it's coming from the sky.
the sky. Look, the rain clouds look all angry. Maybe they're making angry noises, like this.
Yes!
I'm just pretending, Bar.
Perhaps the clouds are growling at each other too, just like you, Jess.
Can clouds growl?
It depends what they're made of.
Let's think. What are rain clouds made of? Do you know?